Now we are going to be doing something different. I want to give you these 5 questions and test your brain. Let me test just 5 questions, test how you have been following and if you can answer this question correctly. Just 5. Don't run away, just attempt it. Just attempt it. I'll be in the comment section waiting for your answers. Question 1. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. They are telling you to choose the option that best completes. Don't run away. This could be what will come out, or one of them or two. Just pay attention. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. A. Legacies. B. Evidence. C. Remnants. D. Inheritance. What do you think is the answer? Type the answer. What do you think is the answer to question 81 in the comment section? Okay, question 82. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. Anyone I give, just don't run away. Tell me the answer. I want you to just note the answer so that in the comment you can enumerate what you think is the answer. Let us know the first person that we get all the answers correctly. Okay, even if you are not the first person, ensure you drop your answers. Don't dodge it. Don't dodge. Okay, the federal government has dashed child trafficking. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. A. Postulated. B. Projected. C. Prescribed. D. Proscribed. Even if you have to consult your dictionary, even if you have to make some research, but ensure you answer all the 5 questions. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. A. Postulated. B. Projected. C. Prescribed. D. Proscribed. I feel like telling you the answer, but I will not. Question 83. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. Pay attention. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. A. Implicated. B. Accused. C. Exonerated. What do you think is the answer? The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were A. Implicated. B. Accused. C. Punished. D. Exonerated. I hope you are picking these questions. I hope you won't jump and pass. Tell me, sister, tell me, you that have been following this channel, what you think is the answer. Based on the facts before me, remember that if you are able to answer this question and tell me watch this video to the end, if I have not given you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, if you need me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, tell me so that I can give them to you. Also, I've done a variety of videos on use of English, biology, chemistry, economics, literature, government, any one of them. If you need me to give you the link to all of the videos we have done, just mention the subject and tell me, sir, please give me all the videos you have done on this particular subject. I will give them to you so that we become more serious as a watch. Also, you can get more of your friends to attempt this question. Use it to test how prepared they are. Based on the facts before me, I have no alternative dash to hold you responsible. Based on the facts before me, I have no alternative dash to hold you responsible. A. I have only. B. As. C. Than. Is it only to hold you responsible? Is it as to hold you responsible? Is it than to hold you responsible? Is it bet to hold you responsible? What do you think is the answer? Don't fail me, don't fall my hand, please. Attempt the question. Even if you are afraid you will not get it, just attempt it. I will be here to guide you. As many people would always find reasons to dash the law. Many people would always find reasons to dash the law. Many people will always find reasons to dash the law. Is it many people will always find reasons to dash the law? A. Is it arrogate the law? B. Debase the law? C. Circumvent the law? D. Circumspect the law? Let me take the questions once more for those of you that are at the back. Western education was, I will take it fast now, and I won't wait for that girl that is wasting time. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. Western education is one of the dash of child trafficking. A. Legacies of child trafficking. B. Evidences of child trafficking. C. Remnants of child trafficking. D. Inheritance of child trafficking. Tell me what you think is the answer of question 81. The first question. Second question. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. The federal government. I'm repeating the question so that nobody will say they did not hear me well or that I was too fast. Okay. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. A. Postulated child trafficking. B. Projected child trafficking. C. Prescribed child trafficking. D. Postulated, projected, prescribed, and proscribed. So tell me what you think is the answer. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. Are you following? By the way, are these questions too difficult for you? I'm giving you space to answer. Are these questions too difficult for you? If they are, let me know. Are you finding it difficult in any way? Are you struggling with your JAMB preparation? If you are finding it difficult, if you are afraid of this exam, let me know. If you are confident, also let me know, right? Our goal for you in this channel is 300 and above. 300 and above. You enter admission, you enter school this year. You gain your admission this year. No going back. You will not repeat JAMB. The money you spent this year in writing JAMB in a register will not be a waste. Claim it. Claim that your money, your effort won't be a waste and people won't laugh at you. The federal government has dashed child trafficking. I've given you that question, so I won't go into it. Question 83. The man was happy that his son confessed his guilt, and so the others were dashed. A. Implicated. B. Accused. C. Punished. D. Exonerated. What do you think is the answer? Second to the last question. Based on the facts before me, I have no alternative dash to hold you responsible. Is it only to hold you responsible, or as to hold you responsible, or than to hold you responsible, or bet to hold you responsible? What could be the answer? I'm waiting. I am looking at you. If you dodge this question, I will come after you. Come under the comment and tell me what you think is the answer to question 4, the fourth question I gave you. Look at the last question, and I won't repeat again. After giving you this last question, I won't repeat again, right? I'm waiting for you. Forget that I think I'm too serious, but don't be afraid. Just give me what you think. Just attempt it. Attempt it, right? If you make a mistake, we will iron it out. Many people would always find reasons to dash the law. Many people will always find reasons to dash the law. A. To arrogate the law. B. To debase the law. C. To circumvent the law. D. To circumspect the law. I won't repeat again. Tell me the answer to these 5 questions in the comment section. You want the syllabus, you want the past questions, let me know. You have any question, you have any difficulty, any challenge you want to share with us, let me know. There is a very, very important video I'm leaving for you free of charge on the screen. Click on it now and watch immediately.